So how you can make $700 in one day with affiliate marketing. As you can see on my screen here, I have made almost $700 in commissions with only 2 sales. I had 10 signups. So basically 2 sales and almost $700. And you can see over here today's date, right? So I used to make the money by Google Ads. So I'm using Google Search Ads or Google pay-per-click. So how is this done? Let me show you here. Over here you can see, right, when you go into your Google Ads campaign, if you're a newbie, if someone who doesn't know why you should use Google Ads, is because of the higher buyer's intent. What is the meaning of buyer intent? It means that how aware your audience is that they have a problem, pain, and how aware they are that they need product, that they need solution from you. So, for example, on Facebook, right, people are on social media, so they are not going to the Facebook to buy products. But in the other hand, here with Google Ads, right, you can see that people are going there to search for the solutions, their pains and problems. They're looking for the products, they're looking for the stores, they're looking for doctors, dentistry, whatever, right? They're looking for solutions. So if your ad appears on Google, right, and if your ad and landing page, remember this, resonates, again, I'm going to repeat, resonates, and is relevant enough with your audience and their problems, of course they're going to buy the product, and you are most likely to make a lot more money promoting those products if you listen to this advice, right? So the first thing is you're going to choose sales, and then here you can see choose a campaign type. So you're going to choose search. Why? Because we are going to run Google search ads, right? So you do that and you click next, and then you can choose the budget. I always suggest start with minimum 25 to 35 US dollars per day, so you can start having some good results. You can even start with $5 per day, right? You don't have to spend a lot of money, because for example, if you're promoting great value product with let's say great upsell take rate, it means that people are also buying upsells, and of course you're going to make a lot more money later on, and also in the same day, right, promoting these affiliate products. So I don't know if you have ever bought any other courses from someone else in the past about Google Ads, about ClickBank, or about affiliate marketing, right? And maybe at some other time in the past you have had bad experiences or you have not get any results. Now the most important thing is to remember this was in the past, right? If you want to move forward, and if you want to get results with someone new that can help you to get the results, then listen, because the most important thing to remember is this. When you start out as an affiliate promoting products, you have to understand there are only 3 things you need. You need mentor, someone to guide you through step by step when you need help setting up campaigns, landing pages, right? Because everyone can set up nice ClickFunnels landing page, but it will not work for everyone. Why? Because you have to remember, it's not about software, it's not about the page, it's about what you put on that page, how you structure each page, right? Because imagine this, if I walk into the car dealer shop, right? Most likely there's going to be different experience for me if I have a salesman who is willing to present the car to my needs, my problems, than someone else who is just standing there and wanting to sell you the car, right? They are 2 different things. Same here, it's reverse psychology on the paper, right? By written words. So remember, it's about having the right copy, right? It's about copywriting and media buying. Those are 2 skills you need, media buying and copywriting, right? So great copy sometimes will not do the job. Why? Because you need to understand, you need to position your page, authoritatively speaking, in the right manner, in the correct way. So if you do that correctly, then of course you're going to get much more better results later on as an affiliate. So if you're watching this video and if you want to get your first $200 or $500 a day with affiliate marketing, promoting ClickBank products, any other affiliate network out there, then let me know, because when I'm working one-on-one with students, I'm helping them to set up these campaigns. I'm helping them to set up ad campaigns on Google or Facebook, right? Wherever we are running traffic, in this case, Google search, and we are getting buyers. So buyers' clicks are the most important thing. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button here, so it will help me to put more content that is valuable out there. And also please they're going to be linked below this video, but you can reach me out on Instagram, WhatsApp, email, or even Facebook. So you can reach out to me, ask me any questions you want, and I can help you to get started and start generating great results with affiliate marketing. Because remember, if you wait and procrastinate and do nothing, you're just wasting your life and time away. So if you really want, if you're serious, right? If you're not someone who just wants life to pass through and do nothing, waste your life away, then great. You can go off, you can unsubscribe, you can go away from this video now. But if you're someone who is watching this video, and I think if you stayed until now, you're a serious person, you're a serious individual who care about your family, about your kids, if you have one, or about your mother or father well-being, then please take action now. Click the link below the video, reach out to me if you have any questions, and we will get you started. So again, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.